All right, 911 review fans, I have never been this excited. Rarely been this excited. One time I did something, but this is pretty close, about a product review. Look what I have here. I have these boxes, and they come to us from primalurgefoods.com. Let's see if we can get that on screen. Might be backwards. But Primal Urge Foods sent us these beef jerky boxes. And what they do is they send you an entire box of beef jerky for $20. And I'm super excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and explore this. We're going to see what's inside. But first, can you identify this movie clip?
Bon appetit.
Oh, good God.
Check it out.
All right, we're back. So let's check it out. Let's see what's inside these boxes. Now, first, I got to figure out how to open them up. There we go. Are you excited as I am? 20 bucks gets you a lot of beef jerky. Let's go through each. This is one particular box. We have Amarok, I think it's Amarok, steak strips, 80 calories. I always go to the protein, 14 grams of protein. Sprite Fire Jalapeno. We have, what is this? Daybreak Snack Stick. Hot Rods Joe's Jerky. Hickory Smoked Meat Snack. We have, what else we have? Westerners Beef Barbecue Flavored Snack. We have an OG Hickory Righteous Felon Craft Jerky. I like that this one's OG. I kind of want to try that one first. We got this thing here. What is this? This is Caveman Blueberry and Pepper Primal Bar. It's a meat bar. I've never had a meat bar. I think I want a meat bar. I'm gonna have to consider that. Looks amazing. Buffalo Style Hickory Smoked Chicken Snack. Now, I believe that there's probably going to be some very hungry people on that side of the camera, and I hope you are jealous. And maybe we could do a promotion where they send out a free box to one of our viewers. So leave a comment below if you'd like us to start doing more promotions. A lot of these companies are very welcome to that sort of idea, but we need people to leave comments below, say that they would like that. Spicy Italian Pork by Vermont Smoke and Cure, trademarked. It contains pork, spices, cane sugar, paprika, garlic, sea salt, celery, juice, cherry juice, other stuff. Pretty awesome. And high protein beef and elk snack stick. That's awesome. I don't know how they got the cow and the elk to mate, but a beef and elk snack stick, as well as, here's the last one from this particular box, wild boar, holy cow, that looks awesome, beef stick. So how many do we have here? For 20 bucks, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beef sticks for $20. That's $2 a stick. That's pretty good. Delivered to your door for that price, no less. And they ship all over the world for our armed forces folks. So if you have a APO box or anything like that, you're fine. The little flyer says, welcome to Primal Urge Foods. We are dedicated to providing you with a new collection of healthy, flavorful meat sticks and jerky in every Primal Urge package. Subscribers can expect 10 hand-selected meat snacks to arrive at their door each month. You won't know what you're receiving, but you can rest assured that it's going to be carefully curated selected meats. It's going to include salmon, buffalo, alligator, chicken, wild boar, turkey, ostrich, beef, pork, elk, lamb, duck, and possibly rabbit. All sorts of flavors: cajun, teriyaki, barbecue, hickory, spicy, ginger and garlic, habanero, pineapple. You have to say habanero. It's more fun to say it that way. Honey mustard, ranch, jalapeno, cracked pepper, savory mustard, etc., etc., etc. We source these meats from a wide range of sustainable, responsible farms across the U.S., and all meats are test-tasted and PUF approved. This is a genius idea. Oh, it has a whole bunch of, it has the list of all the companies they're working with: Caveman Foods, Joe's All Natural Beef, Ostrom, Pearson Ranch, Righteous Felon Jerky Cartel. That's my favorite. I want to tag those people in this video. I hope they actually respond. Super Powered Nutrition, Thrushwood Farms, Timber Ridge Cattle, Vermont Smoke and Cure, and Western Smokehouse Barbecue. Righteous Felon Jerky. Jesus, that sounds amazing. Now that's just the first of these. We don't have time to go through all of them, but let's just look at the second one, see what's inside. Lucky Texas Pete, Sriracha Turkey, venison steak. You know, venison's actually a lot better than a lot of people would think. I really do like venison. Here's a Little Zips hickory smoked meat snack. That sounds fun. OS Trim, high protein, low fat beef elk. Country Archer. Uncured sweet and sassy sticks. That's a sassy stick you have there. The wild boar on sunrise. Turkey sticks. And chomps. Just chomps. Grass-fed beef stick. Seriously, if you like beef jerky, like trying new things, you know, this would be a great gift for my dad, or for me. If any of you want to give me meat, just a meat review, this is amazing. I'm like a kid in a candy store. No, I'm like a bear in a beef jerky store. There's got to be a better analogy for that, so go ahead and leave a comment below. Check these out. I got a third one here. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save this one for later. Got so much cool stuff. Each one is individual. Each one's different. Go pick one up for yourself. We'll put a link in the description below. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Go ahead, click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. I think that's all I have for today. Please, again, click like, leave a comment, talk to me. I like doing this. This is fun. We're going to go ahead and try to promote this video, get it out there, and check out these beef jerky boxes. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. We're out of here. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.